Mike, 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 Mike.
That was my past when I was a little boy. It was all my fault. Please forgive me. When I used to go to school in that cold morning, when I used to think of my future, now I'm blessed. Thank you, Lord, you saved my life. Thank you, Daddy, you are so wonderful. Mommy used to play for me to be a better man. Oh, she used to play for me to be a better